we're going to a university in Oxford to run some cabling in one of the very old buildings that they have. They have some cabling in place. It is very old and doesn't work. It's only a few cables, going to be a very short, quick job. But we need to pull some cabling. So you're going to see us in the depths of a cellar of a very old building. And you might see some cool scenery of Oxfordshire while we're at it. Should be quick, should be easy, should be fun.
What's new in IT? Elaborate.
Whoa, why is it always elaborate?
Elaborate.
We're in the basement.
So what we got to do now?
We're just testing which cables are where, and then seeing if we can pull them back rather than cutting them.
Balloons up.
Tax is a split cable.
No, probably because it is. Yeah, because it's because they've divided them off. Okay.
I'm comfortable, that's where we are. The other thing to do is put a proper tester on it.
Oh, you
Remote.
mean remote one? Yeah, yes, actually, we could do that.
Because that will test the pairs and the length.
Why I want the toe test, because we don't know if
That's the right
we've got
cable.
track in them all otherwise.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I'll get the other side. You can pull them. Where we saying these top two.
Yeah, the two that you've got now, that you're tugging on the two here. Yeah.
So bad, it is like,
toe.
it's just where, even when I put on the back of the module where the cables are, you just get static. It's that.
I'm confident. Look, one of these plugs directly into the DP, which is odd.
No, because they're phones. They denied them, didn't they? They used.
But it's
used
old
one
phones,
pair.
isn't it?
It's old phones,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
they used one pair, and that won't be
That's-
a
that's-
DP
no.
as such of a DP. It will be
It was separating it
old
out.
phone system.
So we've got one is this one,
Yeah,
and the other one is this.
but then they've got them split off really weirdly
Yeah.
upstairs. That's why none of them freaking work.
Yeah.
because they've got them split for data and phone, but then they've run for data and phone from one cable, but that cable goes straight into.
Doesn't make any sense at all, does it?
Just
Right, and we're going to use that to pull ours up. You reckon it'll go up through the floor okay?
I should imagine. So they moved fairly freely when I was yanking on them, did they?
We're working on one of the faculty properties, and we're replacing a couple of very damaged Cat5 cables to reinstall their network properly.
Very damaged. Like, very damaged. Yeah. Slowly. Hold on. One. Snippy, all of the cable ties which are holding are two cables, yeah?
Yeah, because this is us older, yeah.
Yeah, and then those, because they're all on the ground cable,
Yeah.
so they all need snipping as well.
You guys get that cable through. I'll set this up upstairs. If we can get out in an hour, I'll have real lunch.
Yeah then, we like that.
I need, babe, I don't wanna see you frown. I don't wanna let you down, 'cause you are everything to me, babe. I don't wanna see you frown. I don't wanna let you down, 'cause you are everything.
Instead of using rods to take the cable to, like this thing you do lots of times before, we're going to use old cabling that was here, that we're replacing, to pull our cables through. All right, Robin.
What are you doing now, man?
Attacking the cable to the wall.
Drop 2 of our modules in.
Yeah.
One of our new faceplates in. We'll label it for what they are. Dean's office.
Well, yeah, just D1, D2.
D1, D2. Yeah, D1, D2. We'll do the same up there.
Yeah.
And then
we
they
can
can
walk
wire
away.
into the switch.
And we're done.
I'm an engineer. Of course I work in a bakery. I'm an engineer. Of course I pull cable. I'm an engineer. I've always got a pair of snips in my pocket.
Well, at least there's wine. So how you getting on, then, Paul?
That's that done. New mods in upstairs. This mess taken out.
You can see the brake things. You need the hammer.
We're cruising.
All gone to plan, yeah?
Yeah, it's a good job. Well spec'd, good execution. We'll do a quick test. I think we're almost there. Yo.
Cool.
Happy days.
I hurt myself.
I already tasted Five Guys. Sounds awful. So, that's there for you if you want to. I want to test.
No, we want to test upstairs, particularly you.
If you could, no, you don't.
No, I haven't connected anything yet. I'm just going to put the faceplates on. Robin, I'm putting stuff up here that is to now be put away.
Neatly this morning. Oh, actually. So we ran some cable. We terminated the ends. We've put a new wall plug in, some new modules, and they are currently just upstairs making sure that they get network to the laptop. So results will come. Stay tuned.
I've got an 18 in the middle of the
If
thing.
you then not got to put, oh no, if it's IPO rated, isn't it? The device.
Ooh.
So it's all sealed with the little.
Yeah, that whole lot. It's got a little grommet drum in there. We put one in, one of our clients, and not heard. No, it just seems worse.
Nice.
Just functional.
I've got one of the big boy ones in the office.
The internal ones.
Yeah, well, I just bought it because I wanted to see it.
We've seen it
It's
somewhere.
done a completely unnecessary spend of like £200 just to have a
Yeah.
big set in the cupboard.
They're expensive. So I'm going out to test in the middle of a field. Bucks Rail have now taken on a massive big field next to their system. There's my first. So we just finished up a cabling job in one of the colleges here in beautiful Oxford, where we were replacing some cable that's very old, been there for a very long time. So we ran in new cable, put some modules on the end, tested it, ran internet speaking. Now, what we found when we were doing it was that the original cabling they'd put in, on a Cat5 cable, there's 4 pairs. So in order to have more ports and have more ability, they'd originally put 2 pairs on each module, flipping over the colours so that they could get 2 ports running off of 1 cable, which is not the thing to do, not the correct way to do it. So we ripped that cable out, ran in 2 new cables, 2 brand new modules on the end, tested, all works, PoE is all working, and then we stuffed our belly with fibre.